Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to verify Cash App account in 2025. So, if you want to unlock all features of Cash App, verifying your account is the key. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you the easiest way to verify your Cash App in 2025. So launch the Cash App on your device. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, select Personal from the drop-down menu, and Cash App will ask for your personal information to verify your identity. So you'll have to provide Cash App with your full name, date of birth, social security number, that is the last 4 digits, and in some cases, additional documents like a government issued ID may be required. Now, you'll have to also submit your photo ID if required. So take a clear picture of your driver's license or ID, ensure that the photo is well lit and all details are visible. Once you submit your details, Cash App will review your information and verification typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Also, some benefits of verification includes increase in your transaction limit, unlocking features like Cash App Borrow, Bitcoin buying and selling, and Cash App card use. And that's it. Verifying your Cash App account is simple and opens the door to advanced features. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.